Welcome to Linux Help, how to use flags on Bash script on Oracle Linux. In Bash, flags serve as optional arguments for scripts, allowing users to customize their functionality. These flags are typically represented by a single letter or a combination of letters, prefixed with a hyphen, and can be used to alter the script's behavior or provide supplementary information. Check the OS version. Create the file. Echo, hello world. Use the -h flag to print help. Change the permissions. Run the script without flag. Run the script with flag. It's working fine. Now create the another one file. Use the -n flag with a value. Change the permissions. Now run the script with the arguments. These are some examples for flag on Bash script. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.